Good morning, students. I hope you are all preparing well for your exams. If you are in 11th standard, this is your first online examination of our campus. If you are in other standards, this is the second one you are facing. But still this time we have changed our methods. We want to be more authentic, and we have to see that our system is actually honoring those who have prepared well. So we are changed mildly. Now listen to me carefully. It's nothing, it's simple the same. Every day on the examination timetable, scheduled day, please have some A4 size sheets with you. Sit down in a very comfortable place. Have your pen, pencil, scale, everything with you. All those writing materials. Throw your books and notebooks away because it's an exam hall. It's very important. Your parents are going to be your invigilators as usual. Please see that you are checking your cell phone for your group exactly by 6 o'clock. 6 to 6:10 by the time you will receive your question papers. When it is posted, open it, keep it with you, take your papers, start your exam. 7:30, we will tell you every day at what time you should close your notebook, close your exam. Exactly by the time, 7:30, 7:40, close the exam. Now take snaps of every page you have written. Write your class, your name, your section very clearly in every sheet. Take your snap. Send those things, make them into a file and send, or send them directly to the number given, not to the group, to the number given. Every day your concerned subject teacher number will be given. To that number send your papers, not in the group. So you will send those papers to the concerned teacher. That is fine. That is the system we have already. Now this is for 11th standard. I told what to do. Now the system we are extending. It is for all the classes, starting from the lowest class, from class 1 onwards, entirely up to 12th standard. This time we are introducing this. After all the exams are over, that is maybe on November 8 or something, when exam is over, next day you put all the papers together, Tamil, English, mathematics, this, put all together, have one rubber band. For everything, have a stapler, rubber band them, write your name, class, section, have a slip, bring it to the school. At the gate, we will be having boxes. At the appropriate box, drop your answer script. Now, we will value the papers you are sending via phone. We will also value the papers you are giving in person. That is, of course, some students, they may claim, sir, I am in Hyderabad. Now I have come to my native place. I am in, Trichy. I have come to Tanjore, something like that. Don't worry. If you are there, nothing to worry. Put it in a cover, paste it, send it via courier to the school. Principal, Kishan Memorial Metric Higher Secondary School, and you can have your address in the diary, or you can write simply principal, school name, pin code 607001, Kadalur, Tamil Nadu. Enough, it will reach us. So anyway, your paper should reach us. 2 days I am giving. On November 8, if your exam is over, before November 10, hand over it. That is how it should happen. So this time onwards, we will have a record that you have written an exam. And when the government is going to ask what we have already done, how to give promotion, we will show your papers, test 1, test 2, test 3, like that. So that is why we have bought this system. Please cooperate with us. Once again, I repeat, 6 o'clock sharp, question papers will be sent to you in your group. We will start writing exams 7:30 or 7:40 you will close the paper. Take snaps, photographs, send it to the concerned number, to the teacher. And the fourth step is keep the paper stappled and keep it safe. On the last exam day, put everything together, have a rubber band, and in that order of language, English, mathematics, etc., etc., the same order of your timetable, put them and tie them up. Then keep it with you. Next day you come to the gate of the school to drop it in the appropriate box. That's all. If you are in the town, if you are not in the town, if you are in the remote areas, if you are very far away, no problem, send it by courier or post. The paper should reach us and no problem. This too will be valued. This time, if you are not going to drop the papers at the gate, we will not value your WhatsApp, that particular paper you have sent, number one. Number two, there are some students who are not attending the Zoom classes. I am very much fed up about it. I am sorry to say this. It is very dangerous. You are skipping your classes. You are not attending them. The government is very particular with one thing. This year, exams will be conducted. Either online class or TV class, they are telling. Because in government schools, it is TV class. That's what they call it. So, you are skipping the classes and I am having your attendance that you have not attended. Some students are attending only the test. This time, after the valuation of the papers, they will be submitted to me. For those who have not actually attended the classes, I will have to talk to the parents regarding their rank cards. Please remember this, don't skip your classes. Attendance, test, both go together. Please remember this, take care, attend all the classes, write all the examinations and send the examinations with a photo to the teacher. Also drop the answer scripts at the gate. Wish you all the best, do well. Thank you.